Well, there's been a lot of concern recently about the world economy slowing down. Europe not performed as well. That's the economy hasn't performed as well in 2018 as it did in 2017. But we think some of that concern is a little bit overdone. Yeah, we've lost some momentum in the economy. 2019 looks like it might stabilise. I mean, there are challenges, a lot of it political, a lot of it to do with the world economy, but things fundamentally are doing okay. When we actually move on to the property market, we can actually easily forget that capital markets are still flying, a lot of investment around, a lot of investors trying to place their capital, things doing quite well. And occupier markets, by and large, doing well. Stunted development cycle in Europe, employment still growing, rent still picking up. So we're quite optimistic about Europe in 2019. UK has its own challenges. A lot of talk about Brexit and uncertainty. We think that's maybe a little bit overdone, not the uncertainty about the final effects. I think it's interesting to look at some of the fundamentals of what's happened. It's been a cracking year for logistics in the UK. But I think more interestingly, it's been a pretty good year for offices in the UK. It's something we forget about. Central London, massive amount of new supply come through, most of it's been taken up. Rents have held up. South East offices, regional offices have actually done better than London. That employment base seems to have gone on growing regardless of Brexit. I think that's quite an important point. And where there are difficulties is its retail. We all know about that. And even in retail, there are some worthwhile investments there. It's just a little bit hard to actually, at the moment, with all the hype, to figure out where they are. But I'm sure that will actually start to become a little bit more transparent in 2019.